poking it through to Allende. Well, he knew that Peterson. He's launched it long. The flag raised against Dushabalala. It's Mamelodi Sundowns, but it was on a night that he and Chiefs fans would want to regret that 5-1 defeat that they suffered last season. The season prior, when these two sides met in August. Nabi would depart shortly afterwards. Maguire's touch. Obviously, this is a hybrid pitch, so there's also fibre in the mix. That is at a standard height of back to Brandon Peterson. Maguire did have a really good start. Given away here. Not too many options at the moment for Kaizer Chiefs. Fabio Silva is in the box along with Pulemori, but it's always going to be difficult for Dushabalala to try and work something in. Sundowns in their last league match did excellent tactics, individual tactics by the defender. Dushabalala's appearances in all competitions this season, 22 clean sheets, 13 of those have come in the league as Dushabalala gets it and he's worked it through here for Silva off the post and then Kaizer Chiefs are ahead. Well, Silva has been their biggest threat in front of goal this season. Restored to the lineup and he has repaid the coach's faith in him.
If you were to ask me, I'm not sure why would you keep a deadly man of his caliber outside of the game for this number of games. It's Ronwen Williams' clearance that doesn't go too far. That is intercepted under a bit of pressure from the same man. And then a pass is delivered by Mdu. Damane doesn't come across to provide cover. Scattered. Remember, it was the Sundowns ball. So the defenders, when we are in possession, they stretch apart. Great attempt by Ronwen Williams here. Gets a touch to it, but not good enough to keep it out. It's Mori. He intercepts. 29 goals in 26 games. That, for me, is a big question mark. When others like Sundowns have scored 47.
That they are going through now where it's April One City back-to-back Wednesday and then Sunday. They're in action again today. It's the 6th. They'll be in action again on the 9th and then again on the 12th. As Jaden Adams is the latest player booked. He's gone in on Dushabalala from behind.
It's fierce, it's toe-to-toe, and it's brutal.
Jaden Adams, also a player who will now be suspended. He will come into this game on 3 bookings.